Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. This is Butterfree C, and this is Super Boss number 27, Blaziken. It's getting hard, it's getting hard. We have to charge up, we have to become stronger. We're using Pokemon from our past few islands. Let's just search for a strong Pokemon to use. Honestly, I would pick a water type normally, but I think Psychic Jirachi will deal with this. Not exactly sure how this will go, but is it Snappy? Snappy? Is Snappy good for though? Guys, I'm aware Psychic Move Plus I can sell or transfer my other one, but unfortunately I don't have enough money. So leave that be for now. We're using Psycho Cut gear. And I hope we survive. I hope we survive. Psychic is kind of slow. Oh, frick. Perfect. You are not doing that. Oh my goodness. You just wasted a couple of Pokemon. Apparently, charge boosts works better for this thing. If I have a hard time, I'll switch my Snappy to a charge boost instead. Yeah, I probably should switch to a charge boost right now. My HP is super low. I am so dead. I am so dead. I am so dead. I am so dead. Dead. No. That was sad. Let's repeat. Let's switch or convert or change our equipment from Snappy to a charge boost. Same CP. And let's begin. Guys, if you don't know what CP is, CP stands for Combat Power. Psycho Cut. I'm not gonna waste those Charizards away. Much stronger now, guys. Much stronger now. Run away. We're pretty slow. Oh, frick. Mistake. Oh boy, we're not getting... We might die. We might die. We might die. Let's switch. Let's switch. I see. Earthquake actually works. We might actually repeat this stage, guys. Our Earthquake might do better. Yeah, let's repeat. Let's repeat this. Earthquake has become our friend, guys. Earthquake plus Snappy is a very, very strong combination. We're going to use this. We're going to switch to a ground type magnitude gear. And let's see how easier our lives will get by facing Blaziken again. Just so you guys know, we could have won the battle earlier, guys. But stupidity happened. See how strong Earthquake is? That wasn't even charged. Which, you shouldn't do that. Earthquake unless you're faced with this part. Because charge Earthquake is really slow. Let's finish you off. I'm gonna finish you off. Oh, frick. Mistake! But we succeeded. We beat him with more than 10 seconds. That's more than enough. That said, that was Super Boss number 27, was it? And I'll see you guys with the next Super Boss Butterfree in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't.